Hey y'all, Pancake here. Today we are traveling down the Bayou for the very first cast member preview of Tiana's Bayou Adventure. We're going to explore the queue, ride the ride, and see this ride transform from day to night. Come along and let's check it all out. Alright y'all, after about 3 hours, 2.5 hours, we're about to move. We're really hoping that we can get in at this point.
They're having us put our hands up for our wristbands. All right, y'all. We made it. That was insane. Again, the ride's been down like all day. Everyone was congregated outside. They had told us that at 8 o'clock they were gonna cut the whole line off, but 8 o'clock hit. Everyone was still lined up. No leader had said anything. So, it's just insane.
So here's the queue area. It all looks pretty familiar, other than, of course, this main building that has the stairwell in it. But they are playing some, like, old jazz radio.
Listen, Kermit was the closest thing I could get to Tiana. It's a frog. Kermit the Frog. I mean, it's close enough, right?
Kind of building upon the story for this ride. This looks like a farm, so we got some greenery growing here. Got some peppers. Again, Tiana's Farms is like her company that she formed after the first movie. Now we're coming up to this building, and now this building was actually hand-painted by some artists from, I believe they were from Louisiana, from New Orleans. So quote me if I'm wrong on that, but I know it was hand-painted. I also want to take a look at this pretty sweet vintage car that they got here for Tiana's Foods. And I've been calling it Tiana's Farms. It's Tiana's Foods. My bad. Alright, here's a closer-up view of that car. And they even still got the classic 50-foot plunge ahead. Tiana's Bayou Adventure is a turbulent flume adventure with high speeds, heights, and sudden drops and stops. Alright, looks like we're entering into one of our first very highly themed areas. There's a newspaper here that says Princess Tiana throws Mardi Gras party for all of New Orleans. Got some aprons here, looks like, from Tiana's Foods. Again, I'm loving these like old vintage speakers they got up. Oh, and look, punch cards. All the employees working at Tiana's Foods. There's some hot sauces over there, and I had heard that they're going to actually be selling hot sauces in the gift shop, so we'll have to look out for that. Tiana's Palace, make your reservation today. Enjoy jazz and the New Orleans cuisine on the bank of the Mississippi River. Went through that room like pretty fast, so I'm sure there was like tons of other details, but you know, there's like a lot of nicks and crannies, a lot of cool Easter eggs that I'm sure are in there that we missed, but next time we'll take more time and check it out. And we're about to go upstairs, which means we're not that much further away from the ride, so please don't break. Please don't break on us. Y'all know this one. Classic Splash Mountain sign that has gotten rethemed. It's actually in the exact same spot. Not as intricate woodwork, but we'll take it. We'll take it. We're entering into the next area, which for Splash Mountain, this area wasn't like too themed, but looks like they got some awards. Hot sauce award. We got a jalapeno award. There's a brisket award. Looks like some hot sauces in there. This whole area, I'm not going to be able to read all these, but local dressmaker wins national competition. Is that about her mom? Yeah. Oh wow, look guys. Look, there's a kitchen with beignets. Oh my god. Oh man, now I want some beignets. Now this is definitely an upgrade from Splash Mountain's area. I love this. This is beautiful. Alright, the line's moving. I gotta go. We gotta go. Alright, it's really moving y'all now. Shake off salt before leaving. We are in the salt mines now. We are moving. Y'all, it's getting real. While in the salt mines, please call for help if caught in a pinch. Get it? Pinch of salt. Clever. You can already see some differences in this load area. They have like these cranes almost that would hoist up some like cargo, like food cargo and stuff. I love that detail. I feel like that's really cute. All right, we're in row 11. I didn't think it was gonna happen today, but it's gonna happen. Super fun. All right, y'all, here we go. Here is the water tower.
And we're in the bayou, y'all. Woo! It's so pretty. Oh look, some frogs watching us. They even have like the hitchhiking ghost effect, or like the following portraits. And look at the boats going down. Oh man, I love the fireflies. That's awesome. Oh guys, I already see a first animatronic. A celebration of family and friends of New Orleans.
Hey y'all! Thanks for helping me look for musicians for our party tonight. Louis, they're on their way.
I love how she like looked back. I don't know if you guys noticed that, but like as we were going up, she like turned. Woo! Oh look, they got Almost There playing.
Man, it's hard to find a band in the dark.
Oh, and the fireworks are going off, y'all. We're gonna have firework views while on Tiana's Bayou Adventure. That's a neat first thing. Oh, and this is neat. You get to see the backside of the water tower. And it has that same quote that the car had. Never ever lose sight of what's really important. All right, y'all, we're coming to our first drop. Oh, I hear Mama Odie in there. And I see the bottles. Oh, that's cool. Here we go. Woo! Oh, there goes the fireworks. Oh my gosh. Oh look, it's Louis.
Tiana wasn't kidding, y'all. This Donna Cobain, she found her place. Hallelujah!
I would love for y'all to play at my party tonight.
The projections are pretty cool.
These cats can play.
I'm asking all of them to play at the party, but we've got to keep searching high and low.
How low can I go?
Oh look, it's Mama Odie. Some frogs there.
Time to think big. Time to get tiny.
That was cool.
Where did our friends go? We have to find them.
Guys, I think we shrunk to the size of a frog. Yep, we're a frog, guys. Oh, and they got the water jumping effect on. Oh, this seems beautiful. Look, there's Tiana. So again, I think we're the size of a frog right now.
You found the sound. That was great.
Need to be. Cause the bigger you are, the bigger the splash you'll make at the party. Get you to the party. You'll get there in no time. Guaranteed.
Oh, here we go. y'all. We did it. We did it. The fireworks. Look, and they're like even Mardi Gras characters. Oh man, it would have been perfect if there was like a Princess and the Frog. I'm just gonna keep filming this way because it's pretty. That Mama Odie animatronic before the drop, y'all, was insane. That was awesome. That was really cool. All right, I know what's coming up. Nice finale moment, so excited for that.
And you know what? I was a little too excited because I thought I was recording the finale segment, but I wasn't. But thanks to the Disney Parks YouTube channel, here is some footage of that segment. And you also get to see some reaction shots of me filming when I really wasn't filming it. Enjoy.
You smell the beignets? That was cool. All right, y'all. Well, there you have it. There was Tiana's Bayou Adventure. First ride, first cast member preview. Really didn't think it was going to happen, but it happened. I liked it. I really liked it. There was a lot of criticism online. There's a lot of people not too thrilled with it. And I think the videos don't do it justice. You got to come, enjoy it. Obviously, Splash Mountain was nostalgia, but I feel like this new ride is actually really well done. And I feel like even the screen moments are a lot better than they appear on camera, so stay tuned for that in person watching it. But I liked it. It was cool. It was really neat. Animatronics were awesome. Finale was awesome. I definitely need a re-ride through again, but first impression is great ride.
All right, y'all. Well, there you have it. There was Tiana's Bayou Adventure. Just so excited that I could bring this to you all. Again, this was the very first cast member preview, so before the general public, that was the very first one, and I'm so glad that I was able to bring that to you. Some footage from the queue, the ride, and you know, I really enjoyed the attraction, and I hope that when you all get to go in person, because you should go in person and try it out before, you know, forming an opinion. It's a really nice ride. I think they did a great job, but thank you all for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you are not. There's plenty more content coming your way. At Epcot real soon, Communicore Hall and Communicore Plaza will be opening, so stay tuned for a video on that. But until then, y'all, be sure to like this video, leave a comment what was your favorite part of Tiana's Bayou Adventure, and be sure to subscribe for new videos coming up in the future. Until then though, remember to stay golden.